this is right. So it does all make sense. It's like magic sometimes when it all comes together. Right, now we're going to turn this back into octal, and we're going to turn it back into decimal. Sorry, not decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So let me give a paintbrush back. I'll get some red ink, and what we'll do is we'll split this decimal, and we'll split it up into threes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. We could take this if you want, but it just equals 0. And then what we'll do, we'll equal this one into octal. So obviously you put an O in the beginning, or 0, etc. And we'll take this one, this one, and this one. So this one we'll take first, which is 1, 1, and that would be 2, but it's not anything there, and there's something there, so that's 1, add 4 is 5, and we've got here 1 and 1, which is 2, and 1, which is 3, and we've got here just a 2, so in octal, that decimal, sorry, in that binary there equals this in octal. Now let's do it in hex. We now need it in 4s, so we'll, oops, I'll get a pen that's red instead now. Ooh, that's a horrible red, I just got a horrible pinky red. Right, so here we go, it's still horribly pinky red, right, so we'll take 4, and we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll turn that back into a 1 because it was a 1, that was a 1 before as well, wasn't it? And we'll take these 4, see, so these do come into it now. We write down our X for hexadecimal. We'll take this first 4, which is 1. We'll take the second 4, which is 1. Which is 1 and 4, which is 5. And then we'll take this one, which is 8, and this one, which is 2, which is 10. Now, here's where it becomes interesting. We've got 10. This is why I explained this earlier. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we go to number 10, which is A. And this is how you represent 10 in hexadecimal. So these both, so that's your hexadecimal, this is your octal, and as we know in decimal it was 300, my memory's gone, 346, 346, 346, and if I go over here, I get my pen, and I go 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, and I stick a B and a 0, and this therefore is binary. So all these are equal, just in different ways. That was a horrible, horrible line. There we go. So all those are equal, and we've worked out binary, we've worked out decimal, we've worked out hexadecimal, we've worked out octal. So hopefully that was enjoyable. I hope it helps. It helped me. explain it. I even learnt a few little things while I was going along. I've never actually thrown so many different versions around, put them all back together again and see what comes out. So I've learned something, and I've just done my exam on this, so maybe I could have done with learning this before that. But nevertheless, this is me one of my test videos. Hopefully they get any good, and hopefully they're of use to you. I'll try and do some more as I go through my revision. I've got 2 semesters work to go through, and I'll hopefully go through it, explain it, help me, and hopefully it might even help you. So cheers, thanks very much, and goodbye.